How to change background in photo using Lensa. Let's dive into how to change the background of your photos using the Lensa app. It's super straightforward and you'll be amazed by the results. First things first, let's open the Lensa app. Once inside it, you will see your imported photos right over here. And if the photo that you want to edit is not right over here, what you can do is simply tap on this plus button right over here and import the photo that you want to edit. For example, I want to remove the background of this first photo, which is right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Once you're inside it, you will be seeing this type of interface, and at the bottom of the screen you will be seeing a lot of options. From the options, simply scroll and here you can see an option called backdrop, and that's what we need right over here. Let's tap on it and there you can see a lot of options for the background. You can choose whichever you like. For example, let's change it into this one. And you can see I have immediately changed the background of the photo. Wasn't that easy? Once you're happy with the changes, just hit that save at the top right corner over here and voila! You have transferred your photo effortlessly. Feel free to practice on different images and let your creativity shine. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and start editing your photos with the Lensa today. And that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.